Good morning. So today I'm here at the Wyre Forest, which is a brand spanking new location for me. I've never been here before. So far though, I'm absolutely loving it. As I was getting my camera out my bag, a buzzard landed in really lovely and close and sat himself perched up on a tree. So I managed to get a few nice little photos of him. As for species of what I'm going to get from now, I've got no plans. I've got no sort of targets. So I'm just going to keep my eyes open, keep my ears open and just see what we can find. Been walking around for about 40 minutes now, and despite my initial good luck, it's actually been pretty difficult going on my whole bird front. Most of the wildlife seems to be high above the canopy, so all I'm getting is silhouetted shots, and that's when I can actually find them against the bright backdrop. I'm going to wander around a bit more. I've managed to get onto a little path away from all the runners and dog walkers, so hopefully from now I may have a bit more luck, but only time will tell. I've just come across this little area with a little stream going through it, and it seems to be a little bit of a hotbed for grey tits, blue tits, cold tits. You can probably hear them singing right now. So what I'm going to do is stay here for a little bit, get the binos out, stay still, and hopefully something will come up close to me. I've come across this little dip in the landscape with a little river running through it. Now, there are several cold tits and even nuthatches feeding and sort of jumping around between the trees. So I'm having to kind of find vantage points in between all the trees and just all the random branches and leaves. So it's a bit difficult, but it's possible. We'll get something. My luck has finally just turned around a bit. I've just had around 25 to 30 siskins just feeding in the trees around me before flying onto the ground and feeding from the ground as well. I managed to get pretty low and get some footage and get some photos fired off, and I'm so happy with the results. You know, fingers crossed that something else pops up. But truth be told, I'm really enjoying this landscape. So whether or not I get anything else, can't say I mind that much, because this place is absolutely beautiful. But in terms of numbers, the quantity, Jesus Christ.